Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to slow down a video on iPhone 16e. In order to slow down a video, you just need to use a separate app, which you can, for example, use iMovie for, and that's what I'm gonna show an example on. So you can download it from App Store. It's completely free and provided by Apple, so it's fully compatible and secure. You can just go to that app once it's downloaded and then click on Start New Project, Movie, and now select the video that you want to slow down. Of course, slowing down a video may cause some low frame rate because if it's recorded in 30 frames per second and you slow it down a lot, then it'll probably be visible. But I'm gonna create the movie, then click on the timeline, and first I'm gonna click on the magnifier and pinch the video in so it's the whole video in the viewport. And now I can click on the timeline, click on the speed button, and I can slow it down. You can set it to 4/5, 2/3, half, 1/3, 1/4, 1/6, or 1/8, and the 1/8 is gonna be pretty slow, I believe. Let's see this. And you can see the frame rate drop because it was recorded, I believe, in the 30 frames per second. But as I set it to, for example, half the speed, then it'll be a bit better. And now as you finish editing, click on Done. Then click on Share, Save or Share Video, Save Video. And now it's exporting. Now it's saved to the photo library. And that's how you basically do it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.